We're going to drag this widget straight into our iBook, and we're going to move it around and decide where we'd like to put it and what we'd like to do with it. We're going to create a simple question that asks somebody something and gives them 4 multiple choice answers. So start by adding the question here. Let's go with something simple. What colour is the sky? And we'll go with red. I'm tabbing down to get the next one. That's a tab key on the keyboard. Blue. Spelt wrong, so I can shift and tab and go back. Yellow. And orange. Excellent. Now the real answer obviously is blue. I can click on the blue, which tells the computer that that's the answer and mark it correctly. Do we actually need the top title at the top? I don't think so. So we can go to our widget, select the layout tab, and we can go to no title at all at the top there. We can give it a little bit of a background margin just to sort of colour it in and make it smaller. And there's our first question created. Back to our interaction tab, we can add a second question. Going to go for a multiple choice with a picture question. So question 2, going to start by dragging an image in. There's an image of the TV episode 24 that I watched on TV a while ago. It's not been on TV for a long time, but here I can just manipulate it around a little bit. I'll leave that there for them to look at. What does this number represent? Okay. A film. Hours in the day. Weeks of the year. Error there. Minutes in an hour. Now, there are 2 correct answers here. We can't actually use either of those, so we need to change the first one to make something different to go with the correct topic. Let's go seconds in an hour. A little bit of a trick question there. Just check all our information is correct, and it is. We're going to go to a picture round. So I'm going to have 4 pictures. Which is a flower? Spelt the correct way. So go and grab ourselves a picture of a flower. Awesome. There's our first one, which is the correct answer. Let's have a piece of fruit. Let's have a escape key from a computer. Let's have a glass on fire. You've got a choice there, which is a flower. Moving on, we've got what's called dragging a label to somewhere on a picture. Let's put a picture in to start off with. So we can label this first one. We're going to move the icon to where it should go to. Oh, it's not playing. Let's give it a... Please label the items. Let's fix that word. It's spelled like that. And get rid of the L in there. And now... There we go. I'm going to have that one. It's going to be glass, and this one is going to be bottle. And when the person comes to play this game, there'll be a dot there and a dot there, and the words will be here at the bottom, and they'll drag them to the right place. So it's great for labelling items for students. And you've got a final one, which could be drag a thumbnail to a target. So you could have a picture of, let's say, this, and you've got an ice cream and you've got a coffee, and we want to drag in a picture of a coffee to this tab because that's a coffee to match with it, and to this tab we need an image of some ice cream. Well, I haven't got that image of an ice cream, so we'll cheat and we use a picture of a martini. Okay, and I'll just drag them to the right place. Okay, and we can put please label the correct, please match the correct images. Let's change that to match the correct images. Okay, so there's our really nice little simple question and answer section. We've gone through basic of multiple choice in a picture, 4 pictures to choose from, labelling items, and matching images together. Hope that has been helpful for you, and that is using a special widget called Review. Thanks for watching.